in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or near Beloit, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, East Troy, Clinton, Darien, Potter Lake, Richmond, LaGrange, Tiffany, Abel's Corners, Tibbetts, Allens Grove, Millard, Avalon, Shopier, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, and Troy Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the